Hello, I'm Arsalan from Trading Robots site, where trading robots trade for you, and alongside you, not against you. Brokers use algorithms to find stop losses and trade against our direction. We leverage computers to create robots for precise signals. In this AI and tech era, manual trading is a joke, often ending in losses. Brokers use algorithms to hunt stops and trade against you. We investors use computers to create robots that follow signals. To give you details, with mobile phones and computers and tools such as TradingView, we can excel. With artificial intelligence and technology, manual trading often leads to losses. In this video, we address your FAQs. We categorize them into 3 sections: Trading Robot Site, Robot Trading, and Investor Queries. Let's begin. In this video, we'll address your frequently asked questions, categorized into 3 sections: the Trading Robot Site, Trading with Robots, and Investor Questions. You can find these texts in the Help and FAQ sections. Let's begin. The first question is, what is Trading Robot and where is it? We are a knowledge-based startup focusing on programming and AI. Our team, including myself, are students, and we are an independent Iranian startup. How can I trust Trading Robot? With our trading robots, you don't need to give us your money or deposit it anywhere. You might wonder, what is Trading Robot? Well, we are a startup using programming, AI, trading, and economics. How can you trust Trading Robot? So, with our robots, your money stays in your exchange account. You get signals from us and trade on your own. Even with automatic robots, your funds remain in your wallet. We use an API to link software and exchanges. AI trading are interconnected. Our team, mostly students, is independent. With our robots, whether assistants or fully automatic, your money stays in your exchange account. You receive signals and trade on your own. We use an API to connect to your exchange and help generate profits. APIs allow trading, not withdrawals. Regarding Trading Robot's profitability in 2022, it was around 141%. It's enough that if you're using a trader assistant, your money is in your own exchange account. You receive signals from us and trade on your own exchange. Even with semi-automatic and fully automatic robots, your money is still in your own exchange, in your personal wallet. We only use an API, which you might have heard of, as a communication link between the software and the exchanges. APIs allow trading, not withdrawals. It was about 141% or 222%. Our robots performed better. Details are on product pages. Average monthly profit was 20%. For trader assistants, 35%. Search Arsalan Habib on Google or Apparat for videos showing 201% profit in backtesting. Achieve 50% profit in 24 hours, 13% in a day. Look at the profit from Ashura. On average, we've generated a 20% profit monthly, and for trader assistants, this number has been around 35%. As you've seen in our educational videos, you can search for my name, Arsalan Habib, on Google or Apparat, and you'll find many educational videos where I demonstrated a 211% profit in backtesting. It's also possible to achieve a 50% profit in 24 hours with these robots, and even 13% in a single day. I've shown you all of this for sure. Follow us on Apparat and watch the videos to get more information about the robots. Which company or exchange is the Trading Robot website part of? We are an independent startup, not a subsidiary of any exchange or investment company. Let's discuss trading with robots. Which robot has the highest monthly profit? We have 3 robot categories: trader assistants, semi-automatic, and fully automatic. Profitability: trader assistants lead, semi-automatic follow, fully automatic are last. Human intuition allows us to combine AI with insights for robot signals. We are not affiliated with any exchange or brokerage. Trading with robots. Which robot has the highest monthly profit? There are 3 robot types: trader assistants, semi-automatic, and fully automatic. Which is best? Profitability ranks as follows: trader assistants lead, semi-automatic second, fully automatic third. Trader assistants combine AI with human intuition. Our strategies boost trading and profits. Semi-automatic robots provide entry points, stop losses, and take profits, though their signals are weaker, affecting profitability. Fully automatic robots manage risk independently, taking smaller, numerous positions for stable profits. They offer consistent, not guaranteed profits. High profits of trader assistants like 200% or 300% aren't possible with fully automatic robots, especially for large capital. Human intuition is crucial as our strategies enhance trading and profitability. Their signal quality is lower, affecting profitability. Fully automatic robots manage risk and capital. They take smaller, numerous positions for stable profit. They offer consistent, not guaranteed profits. High profits with trader assistance aren't possible with fully automatic robots. Fully automatic robots suit those with no time. They ensure market participation. Managing risk and capital independently leads to small but numerous positions, allowing for stable profits. While not guaranteed monthly, it tends to be consistent. However, 200% and 300% profits achievable with trader assistance aren't possible with fully automatic robots, especially for those with significant capital. Fully automatic robots are used by those with no time to ensure they don't miss market opportunities and gain some profit. We had 4 trader assistants but removed 1, integrating its features into the remaining 3. Trend analysis is now included in all, and updates will automatically appear after purchase, showing changes on your screen. Automatic robots are for those with no time. Which trader assistant suits me? We had 4 assistants but removed 1, as the others covered its functions. Features were integrated into the remaining ones. Among the 3, Banking Strategy, Team 45, and Ichimoku Mexi, if you know price action, support resistance, and order blocks, consider Banking Strategy. We had 4 trader assistants, but removed 1 because the other 3 covered its role. In the updates provided, we've integrated the features of the removed assistant into the remaining ones. Trend analysis is in all, and updates will come to you automatically after your purchase. Of the 3 assistants, Banking Strategy, Team 45, and Ichimoku Mexi, if you know about price action, support and resistance, and order blocks, consider the Banking Strategy. If you've worked with divergences, you understand divergences. This Team 45 robot gives you 45 indicators for divergences. Just check signals. Banking Strategy, Team 45, Ichimoku Mexi, if you know price action, support and resistance, and order blocks, choose Banking Strategy. If you know divergences, you know hidden and regular divergences. Team 45 offers 45 indicators for divergences. Check the signals. If you know divergences, this is best for you. But if not, it might be tough, so choose Banking Strategy for Ichimoku. See Ichimoku Mexi videos. If using Ichimoku wrong, this is best for you. This robot team gives you divergence from 45 indicators. You just look at the signal. If you've worked with divergences, this is our strongest robot. Otherwise, try the Banking Strategy. For Ichimoku fans, watch Ichimoku Mexi videos. If you've used Ichimoku wrong, this assistant is ideal. The Trader Assistant robot suits all markets. It's a trading view code like an indicator, selecting. The robot operates in all markets. It's a trading view code like an indicator. Selecting Team 45 gives the Banking Strategy. Then, I switch to the Banking Strategy on Bitcoin's 1-minute time frame. You can trade Forex, cryptocurrencies, gold, oil, global stocks, even Tesla stocks. If TradingView has the chart, you can trade Tesla stocks with the Banking Strategy. The robot works with all exchanges. You can choose your chart, Binance, Qcoin, OKEx, Bybit, or CoinEx. We weren't on the market. I'm going to gold. For a minute, then to gold. For 30 minutes. You can trade in any market you can think of. Forex, cryptocurrencies, gold, oil, global stock markets, even Tesla stocks. As long as TradingView has the chart. You just go to Tesla, select Tesla stocks, and trade based on the Banking Strategy. If you look at Tesla stocks on a 30-minute time frame, even Elon Musk doesn't have this. What currencies can this robot use? It doesn't matter. All currencies. Choose your chart. It can be Binance, Qcoin, OKEx, Bybit, CoinEx, etc. I'm trading on CoinEx and using Team 45 robot. It shows signals. When it tells you to sell, execute sell order, open exchange on phone, or tab to trade, set stop losses, and take profits. To get Team 45 robot, visit its page or our Telegram for educational videos. 3 videos posted here, more available to watch. It's easy to follow the strategy. Next question. All exchanges supported by semi-automatic assistance. Supports leveraged trades. Example, 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin. On its page and of course in our Telegram channel, we have a series of educational videos. For example, we have 3 educational videos about this robot here, and there are several more educational videos available that you can watch and use. In summary, it's very easy and straightforward to follow this strategy. Let's move to the next question. All exchanges are supported by semi-automatic assistance, including leveraged trades on charts. For instance, On the 15-minute Bitcoin time frame, our strategy shows a series of plus signs. If the next candle turns red, wait for a breakout. Here, we have a breakout of this support level. Check out the videos on this topic. You should be familiar with it. Enter at the close of this candle. The risk-reward ratios are 1.5, 2, and 3. If I want to prove it, I can enter. Entering with leverage is the same for semi-automatic robots. Which is better? We have two. Paris and Tokyo. Paris follows trends. Tokyo focuses on pinpointing entries. For lower time frames, use Paris. For higher, use Tokyo. Can a semi-automatic robot trade on its own? Now, I want to prove it. I'm entering with leverage. It doesn't matter. It's the same for semi-automatic robots. Which semi-automatic robot is better? We have two semi-automatic robots, the Paris and Tokyo robots. This one offers some advanced services, and we'll talk about it later. Both have their own followers. Paris follows the trend, while Tokyo focuses more on pinpointing entries. But if you prefer to trade on a lower time frame, I recommend the Paris robot because it works well on 5-minute or 15-minute Waishon, 30-minute Waishon, and 1-hour time frames. For higher time frames, I suggest the Tokyo robot, especially if you want to trade on 1 hour, 2 hour, or 4 hour charts, where the trend becomes much more important. Can a semi-automatic robot be connected to an exchange to trade on its own? Yes, for example, I can show you the semi-automatic robot, just like you saw in the videos, for instance, the Paris robot that we add to your page. Let's clarify this. A backtest prompts you to add it to your page, showing a 48% profit with a certain win rate. You can view stop losses, take profits, and see entries and exits. It calculates everything for you. If 2 trades were made consecutively, it provides the backtest results. You can purchase this robot and set it up for each coin and time frame. For instance, if I backtested and found it performs well on Bitcoin in the 2-hour time frame, but it's negative, I check the 1-hour time frame and see it performs well there. I decide to automate Bitcoin in the 1-hour time frame. Then I ask, what else? And it suggests Bitcoin in the 15-minute time frame. Purchase this robot and set it up for each coin and time frame. If I backtested and saw it performs well on Bitcoin in the 2-hour time frame, but it's negative, I check the 1-hour time frame and find it performs well there. I automate Bitcoin in the 1-hour time frame, then I ask what else, and it suggests Bitcoin in the 15-minute time frame. I agree. You want to automate Ethereum in the 3-minute time frame too. Each coin and time frame costs 500,000 tomens per. Trust me. I'm telling you, Ake. I want to automate Ethereum in 3-min time frame. This is part of our services. For each coin and time frame, it costs 500,000 tomens per month, about $10. You can automate it so it trades automatically. If it signals while you sleep, you won't miss out due to stop losses and take profits. Let's continue with questions. Which trading robot is better for me? In crypto markets, the best medium-term strategy is to avoid bank interest rates. We shouldn't ask how much they give monthly, daily, or minute by minute. Let's move to the next questions. Which trading robot is better for automated trading for me? In the crypto and digital currency markets, the best medium-term investment strategy is to avoid relying on bank interest rates. We shouldn't be asking how much they give me monthly, daily, or even minute by minute. This way, it doesn't work. In the crypto market, investing in the financial sector is such that you might earn all your profits in just 3 days. Because during those 3 days, when the entire market is pumping, the robots are trading across all coins at a faster rate. And suddenly you see you've made 100% profit in 3 days. You can divide that by the year, right? Yes, you can calculate it monthly by dividing it. But it's not like you can calculate it accurately on a monthly basis. My suggestion is to look at a 6 to 12 month period so that the market can see its entire cycle. If you want the profit you receive to be in Bitcoin or altcoins, for example, instead of taking $10, we can save the equivalent of $10 in Bitcoin. Keep the equivalent of $10 in Bitcoin Maker or Altcoin Maker. These robots are better for dollar profits. Maker asks about Bitcoin or dollars post-purchase, but Monaco only deals with dollars. Its algorithm is stronger. The focus is on preserving your investment. The main focus is not profit but the risky market. You might have experienced this in stocks, Forex, or crypto. In short, you might have faced liquidation or margin calls. And that's right, Monaco is worth a lot of money. If I buy this automated robot, how much profit does it give? With the automated robot, our focus is on preserving your principal investment. The main focus is not on profit making. The primary focus is on the fact that the investment market is very risky. You might have experienced this at least once while watching this video, whether it was in the stock market, Forex, or crypto. In short, you might have faced liquidation or margin calls at some point. That's why the main focus of the robot is on this issue. However, we provide reports every 3 months. In a 3-month period, you can expect a profit between 30% to 40%. You can see this on the page for each of the products. As I mentioned, it's possible to achieve this 30% in just 3 days. It's not that you take 30% and divide it by 3 to get a monthly profit of 10%. The market doesn't work that way. Now, if someone is, I promise you, a very strong person, I will buy myself with them. Can we withdraw the robot's profits? Yes, as robots connect to your account, you control them, you can withdraw all funds, you can see open positions, to intervene, close positions. If there's news suggesting Bitcoin might drop, you can close it. You can intervene, but it doesn't make sense to trade manually. Which markets do robots work in? Currently, robots operate only in crypto. Semi-automatic robots work in all markets, but fully automated ones are only for crypto. If you see a news alert indicating Bitcoin might drop, you can intervene, but it doesn't make sense to trade manually. What market does the automated trading robot operate in? Currently, our automated robots only work in the crypto market. It's true that the semi-automatic and assistant robots can operate across all markets, but the fully automated ones only work with exchanges, which is why these robots are exclusively for crypto. Why don't we support Iranian exchanges? This is a question that many people ask. It's because the demand is very low, and there are several issues with these exchanges. One of them is that their trading volumes are low compared to foreign exchanges, and their order books are weak. For example, if we look at their order book, the first 2 rows might only have 50 million. If we connect 3 robots to this, it becomes worthless. It simply can't handle it. The downside is that most of our users actually prefer foreign exchanges because of the issues I've mentioned. Hopefully one day our local exchanges will improve enough for us to support them. It has no traction. And the bad thing is that most of the people who work for us tend to foreign exchanges because of the issues I've mentioned. I hope that one day our local exchanges will improve enough for us to support them. Which exchanges do the automated trading robots work on? These include exchanges like KuCoin, Binance, Bybit, and Gate.io. We support Binance, KX, Bybit, and Gate.io for automated trading. To verify identity, use sites and Instagram pages. Search Identity Verification Binance. Verify once, then invest peacefully. Exchanges like CoinX and BingX have issues. Complete identity verification now. Search Identity Verification Binance. Verify identity once to invest securely. Exchanges like CoinX and new ones like BingX have issues. We can't connect our robot to it. Next, investment questions. On each product page, find 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, and annual subscriptions using the robot. It's not built in a way that we can connect a robot to it to do this. We will definitely do this in the future, but for now, we only have these exchanges. Now, let's move on to the investment questions. On the page for each product, you can find options for 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, and annual subscriptions. A 1-month subscription is 1,100,000 tomans, cheaper. 3 months would be 5,700,000 tomans. Instead of 5,700,000, pay 4,900,000. 2 monthly subscriptions cost more than a 6-month one, and the annual is most economical for programming, server fees, etc. Annual subscription offers a special discount. Monthly, it's 12 times 1,900,000 tomans, totaling 22,800,000, offered at half price for one-time payment. This pricing applies to all robots, even automated ones. Prices are here. One question that a lot of people ask is, I'm an employee or a student or I have a freelance job, so I can't dedicate full time to the charts like someone whose job is trading. In fact, I want to tell you that most of our clients are in the same situation. Trading as a primary job is very risky. It's better as a side job. It shouldn't be your main job because it can be a bit stressful and you don't have a steady income every month. Our robots are designed for simplicity. Opt for full automation or partial control with semi-automatic assistant. Semi-automatic needs 2 hours online daily, offering positions to work on. The assistant lets you check signals from 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., you might find several signals for a coin. Explore other time frames or coins too. 3 hours daily could yield 50 trades. Alerts notify via phone or email, including TradingView, so constant monitoring isn't needed. You'll get signal notifications. The answer is yes. Ask, and you have 5 signals for this coin. Check 2 other coins. Spend 3 hours to get 50 trades. There's an alert feature. Set alerts for each candle or specific signals. Write a message for notifications to your phone app or email. Get notifications from TradingView so you won't have to sit by the chart. When a signal is generated, you'll be notified. The answer is positive. You can set alerts for each candle or for all signals, or you can set it to notify you for specific signals. You write a message for notifications to be sent to your phone app or email. You'll even get notifications from TradingView so you won't have to sit by the chart all the time. Whenever a signal is generated, you'll be notified. So the answer is definitely positive. What is the minimum capital needed for the robots? For automatic robots, the minimum investment is $1,000, as their price starts around $600, about 10%. If you have less, you can test with $200, but it may not be economically justified, and you might just break even. $1,000 is a reasonable start. For the semi-automatic device, you can start with $20, manually taking signals, with many available. In 3 minutes, you might get 50 signals a day. Our blog shows a 13% gain in 1 day using a banking strategy, proving its effectiveness. If you have less, you can test with $200, but it may not be economically justified, and you might just break even. $1,000 is a reasonable start. For the semi-automatic device, you can start with $20, manually taking signals, with many available. You can start with as little as $20. Manually take signals, and many signals available. Get 50 signals daily. We made 13% in 1 day. With this robot using a banking strategy, it's effective. $20 is the minimum. More capital is better, but beginners can use the robot. Absolutely. Robots do this for us. Anyone can learn from successful traders. Start with your minimum capital, and these are not worth $20. The more enjoyment you have, the better. I learned trading, and I'm a beginner. The robots are made for us. Anyone can learn from successful traders. We extracted rules and coded them. You can't calculate all divergences in 3 minutes, right? This robot is for beginners. No need for complex tutorials. You go and watch their training, then come back and practice a lot. You want to trade with human emotions. We sat down and watched these trainings. We learned the rules. We turned them into code. No matter how smart you are, your speed of action is very high. If they tell you that it's completely different, say, this 3-minute frame, you can't calculate what you're looking for in this person, right? This robot is designed for beginners, so no need for complex tutorials. If you have questions, that's great. Whether you're a professional or just starting, our Telegram support is here for you. You can message us, and usually you'll talk to me or my colleagues. It's simple and user-friendly. The robot provides signals and flashes them for you. Which robot has the highest monthly profit? As mentioned, in the investor section, first assistants, then semi-automatics, and finally fully automatics. Can you withdraw the robot's profit monthly or daily? Yes, you can withdraw from your wallet anytime. If you need money, just do it. We're not like those arbitrage robots or wallet investments where you hand over your money. The robot signals for you. It's simple. Which robot has the highest monthly profit? First assistants, then semi-automatics, and finally fully automatics. Can I withdraw monthly or daily? Yes, anytime from your wallet. Need money? Just do it. We're not like arbitrage robots or wallet investments where you worry about getting your money back. My withdrawals aren't restricted. You're in control. The robot serves you, not vice versa. Your capital could increase and become liquid. The robot manages investments comfortably. It sets stop losses on positions and capital, ensuring you don't lose more than specified. Now, we shouldn't worry about whether you'll get your money back. In the end, your withdrawals are not restricted. Everything is in your control. The robot is providing you with a service. You're not providing a service to the robot. It's possible that with the robot, your capital could increase and become liquid. Regarding the fully automatic management, the robot itself manages the investments, so we are quite comfortable with this. It sets stop losses in 2 ways. One is a stop loss on a specific position, and the other is a stop loss on the entire capital, meaning it won't let you lose more than a certain amount that you specify. Now, we shouldn't worry about whether you'll get your money back. We'll talk after buying Telegram. I'll ask you, sir, how much is okay? For example, you might say, I'm okay with 10, 30, or 50%. As profits increase, so does risk, but you won't lose more than that. With the assistant and semi-automatic options, and our training on trading and precise robot signals, it's structured this way. If you set stop loss and manage risk and capital properly, liquidation chances are almost zero. However, even with the best strategy, using full margin and high leverage can lead to liquidation. That's why we offer reasonable leverage for good positions and strategy. Why risk your capital? Manage risk wisely. How many use our robots? The Iranian trading community trusts us, and we have a good product. Up until early 1402, we had 800 users. You will definitely face liquidation. That's why it doesn't have a reasonable leverage. It gives you a good number of positions and has a strong strategy. Why would you want to lose your capital? Manage your risk and use it wisely. So far, how many people have used our robots? Thank God both the Iranian trading community trusts us, and we have a good product that they are using. Up until the beginning of the year 1402, we had 800 users, and now we have 500 traders who are using our products daily. This means we have 500 users who either signed up for a month and then renewed, or have taken an annual subscription and are actively using it. In 1 to 402 months, we had 800 users, and now we have 500 traders who are using our products daily. This means we have 500 users who either signed up for a month and then renewed, or have taken an annual subscription and are actively using it. And this is also a blessing from God. As you can see on our Apparat channel, we have 1,400 followers and 32,000 views. Whenever we upload a video, it usually gets around 400 to 500 views, and sometimes our videos even reach 1,000 or 2,000 views, even though the topic is relatively specialized. Does the trading robot manage portfolios? Traditional portfolio management involves giving money to someone to generate profits. Here, it's different. Keep your money, the robot connects with you, and you accept market risks. The market has profits and risks. We aim to generate reasonable profits for you. This method is better. The robot manages your portfolio, but it stays in your hands, so no worries. This answers your last question. For more questions, ask on Telegram. We have educational videos on each product's page and content on Apparat. We wish you profitable trading. This also answers your last question. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask on Telegram. We have a lot of educational videos about each product on its page, and we also have separate content on Apparat. We are very grateful and wish you profitable trading.